Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. Yeah, gold, we maintain the bullish view as long as we're holding 1865. We talked about that. We said the rally of the March lows here looks impulsive. There's just two ways of counting this, either as a 1-2-1-2 setup, which is a bit more bullish, or just all of this is a wave one. I think we have some clarity because price broke below the 1970 level. Did highlight to you before that if we do that, then we have to count all of it as wave one, because while the 1-2-1-2 setup is not invalidated, it would only be invalidated below 1945. It broke that 78.6 fib level. That is for me a sign that we don't have a 1-2-1-2, that indeed all of this is a one, but it doesn't really change the overall count or assumption. It's just that the alternate bullish count is going to become the primary. Again, they're both part basically of the same scenario. It was just a matter of, how deep do we pull back? So I can take that support zone out as well, because that's not relevant. However, we found support at this dotted line that I gave you in the last video. That was one of the relevant Fibonacci extension levels. Because what we did, we said, okay, we've got our wave one. So we take the length of that wave A. We go to the high of the B wave, and then the relevant target is the 1.618 extension. So it's fantastic how price reacted just to that level. And it seems to be rallying now. The question is this wave two now in? It could be. It would have been a shallow wave two if all of this was one. Yeah, because ideally you see a wave 2 go to the 50% retracement. Now it still reached the 1.618 extension, which is great, because that's what you normally want to see in a C wave. But what ultimately what we need to see now on the gold chart, and I think the trend line is more like this, but doesn't make a great difference. So like that maybe. What is important now is that we need to see off the low, we need to see 5 waves up. So it could have bottomed, but so the subwave structure allows for both. So the C wave is a 5-wave move. I would find it clearer to count it as a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. That this here is still a wave 4, and we get one more low, possibly to 1937. And to be honest, this is quite a likely option, but they are both possible. So if I see now an impulse, and to be honest, it just needs one more high here. If it breaks above 1988, then we should have 5 waves off the low, and then we had a low in, and then we can wait for a 3-wave pullback. And if it makes a higher low, this could be go time, and we could be in the 3rd wave rally. But until I see 5 waves up, I think we have to be open to the idea that we could get one more low. And I know a lot of people are getting bearish at the moment about gold and silver. But I did say it in the silver video as well. To everybody who's bearish out there, I would at least consider the possibility that this is something bullish, because this is one of the, the best setups in the metals that we've seen in a long time, and it's pretty decent reward to risk from here. And yeah, I'm just saying it could of course turn bearish, but I won't see it bearish as long as we hold above 1865, which is down here, the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement. Yeah, what I'm saying, it's a bullish opportunity. Of course, it doesn't need to work out, but I would at least consider the option also for everybody who's bearish at the moment, yeah? Because, of course, I mean, this is technically, of the November lows at the moment, a 3-wave move up. I mean, I'm counting that as a 1-2-1-2 setup. By the way, I need to change the wave degree here. But this could easily be an ABC, right? And we now come down, break down, and but the move down currently looks corrective. But yeah, again, I think one more low could be enough. Alternatively, if we see 5 waves up now and we just need one more high, then we could already have the low in. But overall, if we get eventually a rally above the wave 1 high here, which is at $2,062. This could be a confirmation that we are in the third wave to $2,200, $2,300 plus. Okay, that's my update about gold. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.